Moisturizing helps to prevent dryness, slows the signs of aging, helps fight acne, protects you from the sun, and soothes the skin, giving you a youthful appearance. In this video, I have with me two amazing products that I think a lot of you guys want to know how they compare and if there's one that's better than the other. The Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream versus the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. Definitely stay tuned to the end and you'll know exactly which one is better and why you would want to go with that one. I've been getting a lot of questions on different products and which one is better for each skin type. So I decided to make a video on two of the most popular moisturizers on the market. I'll be making more comparison videos in the future just like this one with a lot more products. So make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to not miss out on future videos. Also, if you learned anything in this video, give it a like down below too. It'll seriously make my day and it'll help others find this video as well. So to make this video hopefully easy to follow and easy to refer back to, I'll first start out with what the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream has in common with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Then I'll break them down each into their own respective components, weigh the pros and cons so you don't have to, and then finish it off with my final take. And for full disclosure, I bought these with my own money. No one has sent them to me, so my review is totally mine, and I think it's great to be transparent about that. So please like the video if you enjoy transparency. Now, these guys are both going to contain excellent moisturizing properties and are great solutions to dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles, and helping you to look younger. They both do not contain any alcohol, any sulfates, and parabens, and there's a total of 9 ingredients that they share, making it a great all-purpose moisturizer. You get ceramides and glycerin with both, which increases skin hydration, and squalene with both, which increases the suppleness and texture. Now the thing with squalene, it's a highly versatile fatty molecule that has anti-inflammatory properties with it. So with that, you gotta make sure to use a gentle cleanser to clean out your pores first before you apply the moisturizer, because you don't want natural skin oils and bacteria to play in the mix. Now, let's dive a little deeper and start with the Kiehl's one first. The Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, first off, the product feels thick and creamy, kind of like feeling like butter as it quickly melts and absorbs in. I like to avoid touching the jar with my hands, so for best practices, use a product spoon to apply to your fingers, then face, and make sure you are tightly sealing the jar once done. For some, it may leave them feeling a little greasy, but I mean, if you use the amount you're supposed to, which the website actually does say a dime-sized amount, I've had no problems with greasy feeling afterwards. It can be used both morning and night and is marketed as effective for all skin types, even sensitive skin, which is a big plus. Now, right away, there are some noticeable differences with Kiehl's that is not present in the First Aid Beauty. The first thing you may notice is on the jar you have what's called glacial glycoprotein, and not sure to what extent that is used to enhance the moisture, but from what is known, it's sourced from Antarctic sea glaciers to help maintain the skin's moisture balance for longer. Secondly, it contains vitamin E, which is not found in First Aid Beauty. And in the form of tocopherol, we get loads of antioxidants, which helps protect your skin from pollution and reduce hyperpigmentation, which are both great bonuses that you get on top of the moisture. The third thing you get with the Kiehl's product is the fact that if you look at the end of the ingredients, you also get a little touch of salicylic acid, so you will get some exfoliating during your moisturization, which is for some can be a bonus, but I can understand if you don't want that too in a moisturizer. Not sure where I stand with that, but it may not be a tiebreaker for you. And lastly, one other thing that popped up was if you look carefully, you'll also find Persea gratissima oil, which is just fancy for avocado oil. So apparently avocado oil not only replenishes, smooths, and softens the skin, it's also able to visibly calm skin and is a good source of natural antioxidants such as vitamins A, C, D, and E. So I really like what they did there. Bottom line, if you're one to appreciate the unique approach of glacial glycoprotein moisture, want a vitamin E for antioxidants and acne scars, a touch of salicylic acid to help give you a cleansing push, avocado oil, and a heavier feel, you might want to consider the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Also guys, if you're liking the content, please give it a like down below before we get to the second product. Now let's dive into the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. First off, this product doesn't feel too thin, but also doesn't feel ultra thick. It has more of a lotion-like texture than anything else and is easy to spread around. And a little definitely goes a long way here. I can see why some people might like a thicker cream since light creams never feel moisturizing to me. And I like that this is a little on the thicker side. Some notable things that stand out to me with the First Aid that the Kiehl's one doesn't have is that although there's no glacial glycoprotein in here, it does have an amazing ingredient. Colloidal oatmeal, which is a skin protectant that relieves itching and minor irritation caused by eczema, rashes, and other skin conditions. They actually include it as their first ingredient, which is going to start right away to calm down redness or irritation if you're prone to them. Also, if you're wondering at all, the product doesn't smell like oatmeal at all. Both these products actually are both scentless, which I personally like. So if you're one to not like scenty products, these ones are good choices. The second notable ingredient is the shea butter, which I'm a fan of because it's an emollient rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids, which is going to help moisturize and protect the skin barrier. The third difference is that it contains allantoin, which helps calm and soothe the skin. And lastly, it contains an antioxidant booster that protects your skin from environmental factors, and it uses licorice root, feverfew, and white tea extracts. Also guys, if you are a conscious consumer of skincare products, you might like the fact that First Aid's Beauty Moisturizer is cruelty-free, which could be in fact a tiebreaker for you. So now, let's recap. If you're one to use a moisturizer for the benefits of colloidal oatmeal and shea butter to give you those calming effects for eczema or irritation, you like a lighter feel, and you are a fan of allantoin in your moisturizer to give you a push of skin cell regeneration at the same time, you may be considering going with the First Aid Beauty one, as it may in fact be a better choice if you have more sensitive skin. Now, no video is complete without really addressing some concerns with both products, because remember, this is all about transparency. As far as the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, one thing that may make your skin feel a little bit more oily is the fact that it does contain stearic and palmitic acid. These two ingredients may worsen oily skin if you have oily skin. Secondly, if your skin is more acne prone, some people do break out with the myristic acid, which isn't definitive but something to consider, as it does have a comedogenic rating of 3. As far as the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, it does contain cetearyl alcohol, which may or may not clog pores, but as we can see, it has a comedogenic rating of 2, which means that it has the potential to clog pores, but a lower chance. Now, these aren't really major factors at all. I just wanted to include them for nitpicking sakes. Bottom line, they're both amazing products if you're in the market for a quality moisturizer that makes your skin soft and glowy without irritation. And if you want maximum hydration, moisture retention, and overall softer skin, these two creams are both great choices, and with the information I've provided, I hope it gives you a better insight to choose the one that works best for you. Now, I personally am a bigger fan of the First Aid Beauty. It's a little bit more budget friendly, and I feel like you get all the same benefits. Like the video if you learned anything, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I would be happy to answer them. Until then, I aspire to see you all live your best life possible, and I'll see you guys on the next one.